Hello students, good morning you to all. आमे माने ह्यूमन रिप्रोडक्शन पोर्शन रो चैप्टर रो मेल रिप्रोडक्टिव सिस्टम इन ह्यूमन फीमेल रिप्रोडक्टिव सिस्टम इन ह्यूमन ऑलरेडी सारी देछ. आमे नेक्स्ट से आउ गोटे लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन अच्छी गैमेटोजेनेसिस. आमे से गैमेटोजेनेसिस को किछि बेसिक जिनिस को आमे स्टेजेस इन सेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन रे ऑलरेडी कहिचे. आमे आउ टिके ताकू डिटेल को जिबा. देखो गैमेटोजेनेसिस कौन. गैमेटोजेनेसिस पिला माने फॉर्मेशन ऑफ a respective haploid gametes. Formation of respective haploid gametes in the respective diploid gonads in the respective individual. That is gametogenesis. दीटा टर्म रो डिराइव हेछि. one gamete, another genesis. Genesis means formation and gamete the primary sex cell. So formation of respective gametes. Respective gametes means gametes two types, male gamete sperm and female gamete ovum. So formation of respective gamete in the respective gonad in the individual. So as the gametes are of two types, the process also is of two types. The process is also of two types. One is your spermatogenesis, and another is your oogenesis. One is spermatogenesis and another is your oogenesis. Okay? So spermatogenesis, formation of sperm. Oogenesis, formation of ovum or egg. Ovum or egg. Spermatogenesis, first point रे पिला माने हमें कहले what the processes are respectively. The processes are respectively one formation of sperm, that is spermatogenesis, also gametogenesis. It is the formation of ovum or egg, that is oogenesis, but also gametogenesis. So next, where it occurs? It occurs in the seminiferous tubule of testis. Seminiferous tubule of testis. seminiferous tubule, those are the structural unit of testis, and that seminiferous tubule, as we have already discussed about that, each seminiferous tubule is lined with a germinal layer of germinal epithelium, so that occur inside the seminiferous tubule of testis. Similarly, where it occurs, the process of oogenesis, though it begins at ovary but completes at the fallopian tube, at the fallopian tube. Ovum formation, it begins at the ovary but completes at fallopian tube. केमिति पिला माने आमे कहितले ओभारी रु जते बेले ओभम रिलीज होची, that ovum is not true ovum, that is in the form of secondary oocyte at metaphase 2, जो थिरे आउरी दीटा फेज बाकी अछि, अनाफेज 2, टेलोफेज 2 हेले प्रक्रियाटी कंप्लीट हबो. So meiosis 2 रो से anaphase 2, telophase 2 that occurs at the fallopian tube when approaching by the sperm. When that structure secondary oocyte at metaphase 2 approached by sperm, that suspended anaphase 2, that suspended telophase 2 there occurs, and we get the complete fertilized ovum or egg. So the process, though it begins at the ovary, it ends or completes at the fallopian tube. Next, when it occurs, the place of occurrence gala, but time of occurrence, when in the male body sperm formation takes place and when in the female body ovum formation occurs. In the male body, sperm formation or formation of sperm occurs during puberty. And in a continuous process, till the end of life. But however, the process gradually decreases during old age, but continues. And so it is said that male reproduces till the end of life, but in case of female there is some reproductive life. That means in male body formation of sperm occurs during puberty, तामाने 14-15 वर्ष बेले सी आरंभ होबो एवं in a continuous process it continues till the end of life. However, in old age the process gradually decreases. But in case of oogenesis, it begins much before birth. It begins much before birth, and completes only during fertilization. That means पिला माने female body रे the process of oogenesis occurs much before birth. Much before birth. तेणु आमे सेठी कहिथिले जे आमे जदि रिकल करिबा हमर ट्रांसवर्स सेक्शन ऑफ ओवरी को what are the structures we found? Egg nest, ovarian follicle, Graafian follicle, corpus luteum, corpus albicans. आमे सेठी भी कहिथिले during birth 400,000 of ovarian follicles are there. तार अर्थ है ovarian follicle रो previous event that occur much before birth. So that process of oogenesis occurs much before birth, begins much before birth. That means inside the mother's body during embryonic condition it begins, but only completes during fertilization. If in a female body fertilization never occurs, then the process of oogenesis remain in incomplete stage. Incomplete stage. So it begins much before birth and completes only during fertilization, because when fertilization occur, the remaining part of meiosis 2, that is anaphase 2, telophase 2, that occurs at the time of the fertilization. Okay? The number of sperm formed, the number of sperms, आमे एमितरे इंग्लिश टर्म रे स्पर्म कहूचे, तार टेक्निकल टर्म हला स्पर्माटो जून और जोआ, स्पर्माटोजोआ. So the number of sperms unlimited, but there is a constant number of but the number of ova is restricted or few. The process of spermatogenesis completes in two steps. One, formation of spermatids, and second, spermiogenesis or spermatoleiosis. That means the entire process of spermatogenesis complete in two steps. First, spermatids are formed, then that spermatid develops into sperm. The spherical spermatid develops into spindle-shaped sperm in a process that is called spermiogenesis or spermatoleiosis. The most important objective question, short answer type question, what is spermiogenesis or spermatoleiosis? The transformation of spherical spermatid into spindle-shaped sperm. But the process of oogenesis completes in single step, that is formation of oocyte or ovum. Okay? Then come to the detailed process. So pila mane dekho, so spermatogenesis, as we compare between spermatogenesis and oogenesis, it is the process of formation of a sperm and it is the process of formation of ovum, the male gamete sperm and the female gamete ovum, and it occurs in the seminiferous tubule of a testis, but it though it begins at the ovary, but it completes at the fallopian tube. That means both the part involve both ovary and fallopian tube. Time of occurrence, it occurs begins during puberty, but in a continuous process till the end of life. However, during old age the process gradually decreases, but it begins much before birth and only completes during fertilization. And the entire process of spermatogenesis completes in 2 steps. First, spermatids are formed, and then the spherical spermatid, they transform into the sperm. But the process of ovum occurs at a single step, that is formation of oocyte. Next. The formation of spermatid or the formation of oocyte, whatever it may occurs, it occurs in 3 steps. The formation of spermatid, the formation of spermatid completes in 3 steps, 3 phases. 3 phases. Phase of multiplication, phase of multiplication, phase of growth, phase of growth, and phase of maturation. Phase of maturation, phase of multiplication, phase of growth, and phase of maturation. Oogenesis, that is formation of oocyte, formation of oocyte or ovum, it also completes in 3 phases. 3 phases. The do same. The same phase of multiplication, phase of growth, and phase of maturation. तामाने स्पर्माटिड तैयारी हो किंबा oocyte तैयारी हो, सेटा सेई एका 3टी फेज देकरी हेता है. फेज ऑफ मल्टीप्लिकेशन, फेज ऑफ ग्रोथ एंड फेज ऑफ मैचुरेशन. सो कौन आमे ताकू टिके कंपेयर करिबा. देख पिला माने, फेज ऑफ मल्टीप्लिकेशन को आस. formation of spermatid, formation of spermatid, formation of oocyte, formation of oocytes or ovum or ova. So first है पिला माने phase of multiplication. This is your germinal epithelium. Germinal epithelium or the primordial germ cell. The primordial germ cell or spermatogonial mother cell. Spermatogonial mother cell. Similarly, here the germinal epithelium, germinal epithelium or the oogonial mother cell, oogonial mother cell, mother cell. So in the phase of multiplication, as the name indicates, the cell, it multiplies its number in repeated mitotic division, in repeated mitotic division. This process continues. It is a continuous process. So it is the phase of multiplication. Phase of multiplication. Multiplication. So in the phase of multiplication, what are formed? Spermatogonia. Spermatogonia. The spermatogonia, there are two types, A and B. Some of the spermatogonia continues the phase of multiplication further, and another spermatogonium or spermatogonia, they undergoes phase of growth to form primary spermatocyte. Okay? In a similar way, this cell also multiplies its number to form a number of oogonia, same phase of multiplication, oogonia. But here a little bit difference is there. The phase of multiplication is a continuous process, whereas the phase of multiplication ceases during third fetal month. Third fetal month रे पिला माने एटा सीज हे गला, सीज हे जाउची. But it is a continuous process. ता माने the number of spermatogonia many, but the number of oogonia restricted. स्पर्माटोगोनिया रो संख्या अनेक, किंतु oogonia रो संख्या अप टू थर्ड फिटाल मंथ पर्यंत सेई रिपीटेड माइटोटिक डिवीजन रे जेतिकी संख्यक oogonia थिबो, not a single more than that. It ceases. This process, the phase of multiplication ceases till third fetal month. So the number remains constant, not a single more than that. That is the difference in between spermatogenesis and oogenesis. Again, phase of growth occurs. What is phase of growth? Every spermatogonia undergoes phase of growth to form primary spermatocyte. Primary spermatocyte. Primary spermatocyte. That means the number of spermatogonia is equal to the number of primary spermatocyte. That means each of the spermatogonium undergoes phase of growth. Each of the spermatogonium undergoes phase of growth. So the number of spermatogonia then is equal to the number of primary spermatocyte. And during the growth phase, optimum growth occurs, and everything, that synthesize in the body. That is a phase of growth. Phase of growth. But in case of oogenesis, during phase of growth, some of the oogonium undergoes phase of growth. Here, some of oogonium grows to form primary oocyte. Primary oocyte. That means the number of oogonia not equal to number of primary oocyte. आमे कहिचे सेठी पिला माने मने पकाओ रिकॉल करो आमे जेते बेले ट्रांसफर सेक्शन ऑफ ओवरी कहिचे एग नेस्ट होची द रिजल्ट ऑफ फेज ऑफ मल्टीप्लिकेशन द क्लस्टर ऑफ oogonia that is called egg nest एवं से क्लस्टर ऑफ oogonia रू some of the oogonium undergoes phase of growth to primary oocyte and rest of the oogonial cell surround it as follicular cell. तेणु एठी some of the oogonium undergoes phase of growth to form primary oocyte. Next, the phase of maturation. The phase of maturation is simple a meiotic cell division in which the primary spermatocyte or the primary oocyte consecutively divides twice. The first division is the true reductional division meiosis 1 and the second division is the meiosis 2 that is equivalent to mitosis. Then in the phase of maturation which involves the meiotic cell division, two secondary spermatocytes are formed which is true reductional cell division. Secondary spermatocyte. The number of chromosome just reduced to half because it meiosis 1 and in meiosis 2 which is equivalent to mitosis spermatids are formed. This is meiosis 2 and this is total meiosis and it is called phase of maturation. Phase of maturation. So phase of maturation which involves meiotic cell division and in meiotic cell division the cell consecutively divides twice. This is meiosis 1 which is true reductional division in which the two haploid daughter cells are formed and in meiosis 2 which is equivalent to mitosis 4 number of haploid daughter cells are formed and that are called spermatids. So formation of spermatid now completes. That means from a single primary spermatocyte 4 number of haploid spermatids are formed. And in oogenesis process what happens, the same phase of maturation occur but phase of maturation little bit differ from spermatogenesis. What happens in meiosis 1 which is reductional cell division? What occurs, the chromosome number distributes as usual, it reductionally and equally among two daughter cell. So here come N, here also come N, because always karyokinesis follows the cytokinesis. आगे न्यूक्लियस रो डिवीजन हबो तापरे साइटोप्लाज्म रो डिवीजन हेइताय. So nucleus division, that means distribution of chromosome occur in a normal way. That means reductionally and equally among two daughter cell. ଏଇଠିକି ଯେମିତି ଅଧା ଆସିଲା ଏଇଠିକି ସେମିତି ଅଧା ଆସିଲା. But as cytokinesis occur, the division of cytoplasm, the distribution of cytoplasmic material occurs unequally. One abundant cytoplasm occurs, one scanty cytoplasm occurs. It is called secondary secondary oocyte. Secondary oocyte, and it is called fast polar body or polocyte. This is meiosis 1. And in meiosis 2, which is equivalent to mitosis, again same thing occurs. The nucleus divides normally n number of chromosome, but when cytoplasm divides or division of cytoplasm occurs, to one cell abundant cytoplasm comes and to another scanty cytoplasm occurs. That is called oocyte or ovum. And three polar bodies are formed. This is meiosis 2. And total, this is phase of maturation, phase of growth, phase of multiplication. So here oocyte or ovum is formed, but in case of spermatogenesis, from a single primary spermatocyte, 4 numbers of haploid spermatids are formed. In case of oogenesis, from a single primary oocyte, single ovum is formed and 3 polar bodies are formed. Okay? So, एठी कौन पिला माने अलगा हला ना जेतेबेले प्राइमरी oocyte meiosis रे phase of maturation रे division होउची, it little bit differs from in the process of spermatogenesis. What occurs? जेतेबेले meiosis 1 रे nucleus रो division जेमिति होबा कथा reductionally and equationally among two daughter cells सेमिति हला, एठी जेतिकी क्रोमोजोम एठी सेतिकी क्रोमोजोम, बट साइटोप्लाज्म रो डिवीजन जेतेबेले आसिला गोटे ठिकी अबंडांट साइटोप्लाज्म आ गोटे ठिकी स्कैंटी साइटोप्लाज्म आसिला. जोटा अबंडांट साइटोप्लाज्म सी हला सेकेंडरी oocyte, जोटा स्कैंटी साइटोप्लाज्म सी हला polar body, and the polar body doesn't have any function, it is non-functional or dysfunctional, and soon it degenerates. एवं जेतेबेले meiosis 2 हबो, जो meiosis 2 जो थरे प्रोफेज 2, मेटाफेज 2, अनाफेज 2, टेलोफेज 2, सेतिरे प्रोफेज 2, मेटाफेज 2 हेकरी पिला माने रहिबो. तेनु आमे से स्ट्रक्चर को कहूचे सेकेंडरी oocyte एट मेटाफेज 2. एवं जेबे भी हबो से क्रोमोजोम संख्या एठिकी जेतिकी एठिकी सेतिकी आसिला, क्रोमोजोम distributes equally and equationally among two daughter cell, but when distribution of cytoplasm occurs, it distributes unequally. गोटे ठिकी abundant cytoplasm that forms your ovum, another scanty cytoplasm that is again polar body. Thus, from a single primary oocyte, single ovum is formed and 3 polar bodies are formed. But truly, it is the process. It is the normal process. But out of this entire process, the remaining part meiosis 2, prophase 2, metaphase 2 completes. But when that secondary oocyte at metaphase 2 is approached by the sperm, the remaining part of process, anaphase 2, telophase 2 completes, and we get one complete ovum or zygote. So that is the process of spermatogenesis and the process of oogenesis. Little bit more are there, that is the hormonal control of gametogenesis and significance. सेटा को आमे पिला माने नेक्स्ट क्लास रे पढ़िबा. थैंक यू.